How to redeem codes on Valorant. The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to your application Valorant. Enter your login credentials and then log into your specific account. Once you are inside the account, at the top, you'll find your game points. Click on it. Now click on prepaid cards and codes. One interface will pop up where you'll be able to enter your code. So in this section, enter the code that you have got. Once you have entered, all you want to do is click on submit. Once you have submitted, your redemption summary will be reflected in the order details. Well, now with the help of this code, you will be able to redeem various in-game items such as skins, weapon charms, player cards, and more. These codes are often distributed through official channels like social media, promotional events, or content creators, allowing players to unlock exclusive content for their characters and weapons. And so that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem code on Valorant. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.